Hi, my name is Uchenna. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove audio background noise for free using Audacity. So without wasting much time, let's jump on fixing your audio. The first thing to do is to download Audacity. You have to go to audacityteam.org to download it. Once you land on the website, you will see a blue button where you will need to click to download it. I would have done that, but I already have it, so I don't need to do that again. Once you have Audacity installed, the next thing is to bring in the audio that you want to work on. There are two ways that you can bring in audio into Audacity. It is either you record directly with Audacity while recording your video, or you import your audio file to the software and edit from there. So if you want to record with Audacity, all you have to do is to plug in your microphone to your PC, then click on audio setup to actually choose the particular microphone that you plugged in. Once you've selected the microphone, the next thing is to hit this red icon to start recording. Once you're done recording, the next step will be to click on this other button to stop recording. So that's basically it. Once you do that, you will have your audio and to work with. But if you don't want to record using Audacity, your next option will be to import your audio clip to Audacity. You just have to go to File, Import Audio, then search for wherever you have the audio on your PC and bring it into Audacity. Once you have your audio in Audacity, the next thing will be to improve it. So the first step is reducing the background noise. So to do that, you need to look for empty space where there is no speech. If you look at my timeline, you can see that this area, there is no speech in it. So you want to grab as much of that area as possible. Then go to Effects. Then when you go to Effects, you look for Noise Removal and Repair. Then you proceed to Noise Reduction. Then click on Get Noise Profile. This will help Audacity to analyze your audio file to know the exact type of background noise that is available. So once you've done that, double click on your audio file, then go back to Effects. Then this time around, click on Repeat Noise Reduction. As you can see, Audacity has actually done the magic for me. Let's play it to see what we have.
Background noise is one of the common problems that create a lot of recordings, whether it is fan hum, traffic compo, or just some air conditioning.
So you can see how good it sounds, but then we can still go further to enhance the audio to even make it more better. So to do this, we'll have to still select the audio, then go back to Effects. From Effects, we'll go to EQ and Filters. Then we go to Filter Curve, then Preset and Settings, then Factory Presets. Then first we want to boost the bars, so we boost the bars, Apply. We go back again to Effects, EQ and Filter. Then we go back to Filter Curve, then Presets. We boost the treble. Then we repeat the process again. We apply. If we listen to the audio,
whether it is fan hum, traffic compo, or just some air conditioning.
You can see how good it sounds now, but we can still make it more better by actually compressing it. So we have to use compressor to ensure that we compress it in a way that we don't have high and low tunes. So to do this, we select all the clips, go back to Effects, Volume and Compressor, compressor, just apply. So now you can see that before we applied the compressor, it was a bit flat, but it has been boosted, meaning that those places that were low has been boosted, and those places that were high has also been compressed, making the audio even more better. So let's listen to hear what we have.
The common problems that play a lot of recordings, whether it is fan hum, traffic hum, or just some air conditioning, is it can really distract from your audio.
So you can see how nice it now sounds. So that's basically how you can record and improve the quality of your audio in Audacity. If you enjoy the video, then make sure you leave a like on it and also subscribe to my channel for more tips. Thank you for watching.